Ever felt like you're meant for something greater? Do you sometimes sense an untapped potential within yourself, waiting to be discovered? If so, you're not alone. Many people feel this way, and it's often a sign that you're ready to explore a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. This is where the art of mindfulness comes in, a powerful tool that can help you unlock your true potential and become the person you're meant to be. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of mindfulness and explore essential practices that can help you tap into your inner power. We'll look at what it means to be a chosen one and how mindfulness can help you recognize and develop your unique gifts. Whether you're new to mindfulness or have been practicing for years, this video will offer valuable insights and practical techniques to enhance your journey of self-discovery. Let's start by talking about what it means to be a chosen one. This isn't about having supernatural powers or being better than others. It's about recognizing that each of us has unique talents, perspectives, and potential that can make a positive impact on the world. Being a chosen one means acknowledging your inner strengths and accepting the responsibility to develop them for the greater good. You might be wondering, how do I know if I'm the chosen one? The truth is, everyone has the potential to be chosen. It's not about being special in the eyes of others, but about choosing to see and nurture the specialness within yourself. It's about recognizing that you have something valuable to offer the world and deciding to cultivate that potential. This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware in each moment, without judgment. It's a powerful tool that can help you become more attuned to your true nature, your thoughts, feelings, and the world around you. By developing mindfulness, you can start to recognize your unique gifts and understand how to use them effectively. The connection between mindfulness and being a chosen one is profound. Mindfulness helps you cut through the noise of daily life and connect with your inner wisdom. It allows you to observe your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them, giving you the clarity to make decisions aligned with your true self. As you become more mindful, you'll likely find that you're more in touch with your intuition, more aware of opportunities that align with your purpose, and better able to navigate challenges. Now, let's dive into some essential mindfulness practices that can help you develop your potential as a chosen one. We'll start with breathing techniques, which are the foundation of many mindfulness practices. Breathing is something we do all the time, but rarely pay attention to. Yet focusing on our breath can be a powerful way to center ourselves and reduce stress. Here's a simple breathing technique you can try. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if you'd like, and start to notice your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe it. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest or belly. As you continue to focus on your breath, you might notice that your mind starts to wander. This is completely normal. When you notice this happening, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This act of noticing and returning is the essence of mindfulness practice. Try this for a few minutes each day. You might be surprised at how such a simple practice can help you feel more centered and focused. Over time, you may find that you're better able to stay calm in stressful situations and more aware of your thoughts and feelings throughout the day. Next, let's talk about body scan meditation. This practice involves systematically focusing your attention on different parts of your body, from your toes to the top of your head. It's a great way to release tension you might not even realize you're holding and to develop a stronger mind-body connection. To do a body scan, start by lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle in. Then, bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations there: warmth, coolness, tingling, or perhaps no sensation at all. There's no need to judge or change anything, just observe. Slowly move your attention up through your feet, ankles, calves, and so on, all the way up to the top of your head. Take your time with each part of your body, really tuning into the sensations there. If you notice any areas of tension, see if you can breathe into those areas, allowing them to soften and relax. This practice can help you become more aware of the signals your body is sending you. You might notice patterns of tension that relate to certain emotions or situations in your life. By regularly checking in with your body in this way, you can start to address physical and emotional issues before they become more serious problems. Moving on to our third essential practice, mindful observation. This involves choosing an object in your environment and focusing all your attention on it for a set period of time. It could be anything: a flower, a piece of fruit, or even just a spot on the wall. As you observe, try to look at the object as if you're seeing it for the first time. Notice its colors, shapes, textures. If it's something you can hold, like an apple, you might also notice its weight, temperature, and smell. The goal is to fully engage with the present moment through your senses. This practice helps develop your ability to focus and pay attention to detail. It can also help you appreciate the beauty in everyday objects that you might normally overlook. As you get better at mindful observation, you may find that you're more present and engaged in your daily life, better able to notice important details and fully experience each moment. The fourth practice we'll discuss is loving kindness meditation. This is a powerful technique for developing compassion for yourself and others. It involves directing positive thoughts and wishes towards yourself and then expanding that circle of kindness to include others. To practice loving kindness meditation, start by sitting comfortably and taking a few deep breaths. Then, bring to mind an image of yourself and silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." Really try to feel these wishes for yourself. Next, bring to mind someone you care about and direct these same wishes towards them. Then expand your circle to include acquaintances, people you don't know well, and even people you find difficult. Finally, you can extend these wishes to all beings everywhere. This practice can help you develop a more positive and compassionate outlook. It can be especially powerful for chosen ones, as it helps cultivate the empathy and emotional intelligence needed to make a positive impact on others. Our fifth essential practice is mindful eating. This involves paying full attention to the experience of eating, from the moment you see the food to the last swallow. It's a great way to practice mindfulness in everyday life and can also help improve your relationship with food. To practice mindful eating, start by looking at your food. Notice its colors, shapes, and textures. As you take your first bite, pay attention to the taste, temperature, and texture in your mouth. Chew slowly, noticing how the flavors change. Be aware of the sensation of swallowing. This practice can help you enjoy your food more fully and make healthier choices. It can also be extended to other daily activities, helping you become more present and aware throughout your day. Now that we've covered these essential practices, let's talk about how to integrate mindfulness into your daily life. The key is to start small. You don't need to meditate for hours each day to see benefits. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing or a single mindful meal can make a difference. Try to create mindfulness triggers throughout your day. For example, you might decide to take 3 mindful breaths every time you sit down at your desk, or to do a quick body scan while waiting in line. You could practice mindful observation while on your daily commute, really noticing the sights and sounds around you. Mindfulness is not about achieving a particular state of mind. It's about being aware of whatever is happening in the present moment, whether that's pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. The goal is to develop a non-judgmental awareness that you can bring to all aspects of your life. As you continue to practice, you may start to notice changes in how you react to situations. You might find that you're less easily upset by small annoyances, or that you're better able to focus on tasks. You may become more aware of your emotional patterns and better able to respond thoughtfully rather than react automatically. Of course, developing a mindfulness practice isn't always easy. You might face challenges along the way. One common obstacle is the belief that you're not doing it right because your mind keeps wandering. Remember, noticing that your mind has wandered and gently bringing it back to the present moment is the practice. It's not about having a perfectly clear mind, but about developing the skill of awareness. Another challenge might be finding time to practice. If this is the case for you, try to reframe your thinking. Instead of seeing mindfulness as another task to fit into your busy schedule, look for ways to bring mindfulness into activities you're already doing. You can practice mindful breathing while waiting for the bus, do a body scan while lying in bed at night, or practice mindful observation while taking a walk. You might also face resistance from your own mind. Our minds are often more comfortable with their habitual patterns, even if those patterns aren't serving us well. When you start to practice mindfulness, you might notice an increase in negative thoughts or emotions at first. This is normal and doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. In fact, it often means that you're becoming more aware of thoughts and feelings that were always there, but that you weren't noticing before. If you find yourself struggling with your practice, be kind to yourself. Remember that mindfulness is a skill that develops over time. Just like building physical strength, it takes consistent practice to see results. Every moment of mindfulness, no matter how brief, is valuable. As you continue to develop your mindfulness practice, you may start to notice its effects rippling out into other areas of your life. This is where the concept of being a chosen one really comes into play. As you become more aware and present, you're likely to make choices that are more aligned with your true self and your deeper values. You might find that you're more patient with others, more understanding of different perspectives. You may become a better listener, really tuning in to what others are saying instead of just waiting for your turn to speak. This increased empathy and understanding can greatly enhance your relationships and your ability to work effectively with others. You might also notice changes in how you approach challenges. Instead of reacting automatically with stress or anxiety, you may find that you're able to pause, take a breath, and respond more thoughtfully. This can lead to better decision-making and problem-solving skills. As a chosen one, your increased mindfulness can have a powerful impact on those around you. When you're more present and aware, you're better able to recognize opportunities to make a positive difference. You might notice when someone needs help or support, or see ways to improve situations that others might overlook. Your calm and centered presence can also have a soothing effect on those around you. In tense or stressful situations, your ability to stay grounded can help others feel more at ease. You might find that people naturally turn to you for guidance or support. Remember, being a chosen one isn't about being perfect or having all the answers. It's about being willing to look within, to continually grow and learn, and to use your unique gifts to contribute positively to the world. Mindfulness is a powerful tool in this journey, helping you stay connected to your true self and your deeper purpose. We've discussed 5 essential mindfulness practices: mindful breathing, body scan meditation, mindful observation, loving kindness meditation, and mindful eating. We've talked about how to integrate these practices into your daily life and how to overcome common challenges in developing a mindfulness practice. We've also explored how mindfulness can help you recognize and develop your potential as a chosen one, enhancing your self-awareness, empathy, and ability to make a positive impact on the world around you. Remember, the journey of mindfulness is ongoing. There's always more to learn and discover about yourself and the world around you. Each moment offers a new opportunity to be present, to be aware, to choose how you want to show up in the world. As you continue on this path, be patient and kind with yourself. Celebrate small victories, those moments when you remember to take a mindful breath, when you notice the beauty in an everyday object, when you respond to a difficult situation with grace and understanding. Your mindfulness practice is a gift not only to yourself, but to the world around you. As you become more present and aware, you create ripples of positive change that extend far beyond yourself. You never know how your increased presence and compassion might impact someone else's life. So, chosen ones, I encourage you to take these practices and make them your own. Experiment with them, see what resonates with you, and most importantly, keep practicing. The world needs more people who are awake, aware, and ready to make a positive difference. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of mindfulness for chosen ones. I hope you found it valuable and inspiring. Remember, the power to change your life and impact the world around you is always within you, waiting to be awakened through your awareness and intention. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit. And if you have any experiences or insights you'd like to share about your own mindfulness journey, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, stay present, stay aware, and keep shining your unique light in the world. The journey of a chosen one is not always easy, but it is always worthwhile. Keep exploring, keep growing, and keep making a difference in your own unique way.